So I'm going to be covering the topic of AI and ethics. Now, obviously with Facebook and Cambridge Analytica, this is something that's top of mind, but I'm going to be talking about instances of AI and ethics that will absolutely stun you and also give you a framework that you could use. Why should you attend my session? Because either as a practitioner, aka a provider of services or products, you need to be thinking about ethics right here, right now, so you can put it in while building a product. Even more importantly, as a consumer, you need to be aware of what's going on so you are aware of how AI is being used by others so you can educate people who are non-tech. Number two. Third thing, why you must attend the session, because this is really an existential thing for us. I mean, AI is all around us, whether we like it or not. You are going to be using AI in your products and services, guaranteed. But you also have to realize the ethical implications of using that and why that's such an important existential thing for your business. As consumers, you better be aware of what others are selling to you. So that's why you must attend my session.